consider it to be a live session, and we are going to be exploring that why is drinking milk for calcium actually is not sufficient. Now, in a previous session, you heard about my opinion about milk altogether, and most women are, and most people are educated about milk, that you're supposed to be drinking milk and give your children milk because this is a good source of calcium. That is all very true. However, you know that when you're drinking milk, it will be neutralizing or alkalizing your stomach. And whenever is for the calcium to be absorbed, you need acidic environment. So the best source would be to take your calcium is from minerals from each coral based and extracted from the milk. This is very easily. So do it from capsule forms. And actually in Asian society, little anchovy fishes, dried anchovy fishes are ground up, and we actually put this on the children's cereal. I know it sounds maybe strange for Westerners, but this is how is it working in Asia, whose people are actually lactose intolerant, and they are actually not drinking and consuming any dairy product. So this is my opinion on the consuming milk for calcium. So I would suggest take it from capsule forms. Thank you.